If you're like me and you got a lot of tools in your basement, you got one of these maybe Craftsman Evolve cordless drills you probably picked up when you know, Kmart was going out of business. So yeah, I got one of them. So I was using it the other day, but it's getting a little weak on power. So when it's time to like recharge it, I'm taking out my charger and I don't know rightly where to put the stem for the charge. I mean, there's all these holes here, but they're all screw holes. So what you do if you have this problem like I do is you take the battery pack off like so. Or sure, should be able to take it off. And here you can see where it slides on. There's positive and negative. So it's got to be around there somewhere. And there's this tiny little hole right there. And that tiny little hole right there is where it plugs in. And that's how you charge your battery. Plug it in right there. So if this helped you, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more like this, go ahead and subscribe. So that's how you recharge your 18-volt Craftsman Evolve rechargeable drill battery. I hope y'all have a nice day.